no? Ito nga pala ay pang isang detachment, yung malakihang detachment. Address kung saan ang inyong detachment, Barangay Lopez, Makati City. Or kung kanino nyo ibibigay ang inyong request letter, kay S.O. Mark Santos, Detachment Commander. True kung kanino nyo idadaan, halimbawa kay S.O. Jake Perez, Ship in Charge. No, ito. Subject, ito nga. Ito nga po yung request letter na day of request. From kung sinong gumawa ng inyong request letter, halimbawa si SG Ethan Pailago. Date kung kailan ginawa, 4 ng December 2023. Sir, Madam, I am SG Ethan Pailago, assigned here at San Juan University, no? Ito yung detachment. I wrote this request letter because I need today off every Sunday because I would like to go to church every Sunday. Thank you and I hope your approval. Sa baba po, respectfully, o pwede rin prepared by kung sinong gumawa, SG Ethan Pailago. Security guard, huwag pong kalilimutan ng perma, no?